Good afternoon, friends. Today we will discuss about business interruption policy, also known as fire loss of profit policy. So don't do this mistake. Do not choose insufficient indemnity period for FLOP policy. So while I'm saying that do not do these mistakes, so let's discuss what is indemnity period and what usually I seen a couple of junior underwriters are doing mistakes. Once they receive the policy copy from your sales staff, if you have find 12 months indemnity period, so then continuing the same practice of giving the same indemnity period, okay, but do not do this mistake. So let's discuss now that if you have received the policy period, let's say the policy is from April 2023 to March 2024, 12 months, fine. Policy period 12 months, indemnity period 12 months. Now what if there is a fire loss reported on June 2023? Okay, now the next is interruption period. What do you mean by interruption period? The date of fire loss reported till the time customer has removed all those debris from the premises. Then he started the excavation for plinth and foundation. Then he subsequently started the building construction. Okay, different blocks are there. Then he started doing the machinery erection. All this took around 18 months. Okay, so this it will called as interruption period. So from June 2023 to November 2024, 18 months are called as interruption period. Now, after looking this scenario, tell me, will this sufficient? Because the indemnity period is 12 months only, and client took almost 18 months to complete his building reconstruction and for machinery erection. Overall, we call it a reinstatement of the policy. What will be the scenario? If your indemnity period is 12 months only, so insurance company will pay claim from June 2023 to May 2024, 12 months. So client will be paid less of 6 months. Basically, 6-month claim is not paid. This client will retain you as a broker or insurer for his next renewal. The answer is no. Because see, this will be a typical scenario at the time of claim. There is a factory which was on fire, okay, and let's take an example of sum insured around more than 50 crores. Okay, when your sum insured is more than 50 crores, client's factory area is around more than 10 acres or 25 acres. Okay, it may be more. Okay, so once there is a fire in the factory, the fire extinguishers or fire brigade department will try to mitigate all those areas where fire has caught. They will try to extinguish the fire. Okay, it will take a couple of days or 15 days or 10 days. Okay, and after the extinguishing done, there will be a debris. There will be a plant and machinery which client has to do a sell that percent into scrap. Okay, so insurance company will also take their sweet time, okay, around 2 months or 3 months. So if they have taken 3 months, okay, for giving you a go ahead for arranging the salvage buyer or giving clearance for removing this debris, so all these 3 months will be wasted into this interruption period. Now customer has left with only 9 months for complete reinstatement. When I say complete reinstatement, I'll give you next slide. So this will be a scenario at client premises. He has to reconstruct all building. Okay, all building means all block of buildings. His raw material area, his production block, that will you can say as a process block. His finished goods area, warehouse area, loading bay used for loading and unloading of stock, utilities block including your boiler, chimney, chiller, hydrant room, pump room, etc. And these are only building. Okay, we're not talking about machinery right now. Transformer and electrical panel room, your workers canteen, your packing material area. So once this building area is almost 70-80% ready, client will subsequently go for the machinery erection. This will be a lengthy part. Production machineries. He has to order the machineries. Okay. So if the OEM is not located in India, okay, he has to give some advance. If those machineries are tailor-made machineries, okay, OEM will take some time for uh, preparing those machineries. Okay, so all these machineries coming to client premises, it will take around 3 to 4 months for complete erection. Okay, then his utilities will be erected: your boiler, chimney, chillers, electrical substations, fire hydrant, pumps room, and pipelines. Pipelines are used for raw material transfer, okay, to the production areas nearby to production machinery. So now tell me, if client has to reconstruct entire building, entire blocks, and then subsequently he has to erect all those machineries, will this 12 months indemnity period is sufficient? Because 3 months are being used by the debris removal and salvage buyer. Okay, so do not do this mistake of giving 12 months indemnity period. Please ask your client that at the time of first factory erection, okay, how much time client has took for his building reconstruction and machinery erection. If the answer is 18 months or 24 months, please do consider giving your client indemnity period for FLOP policy more than 12 months. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this content with your colleagues. Thank you so much.